Footsteps echo in the canyon wide, heartbeats racing with the rising tide. Whispers of the stars light the path we take, chasing dreams until they finally break. Dust on our boots, we're ready to roll. Fires igniting deep within our soul. City lights dim as we make our way. Lost and free, we let the music play. Singing wild heart, let it run free. Turn up the night till we're dancing on dreams. Raise your voice high, let the melody fly. We'll burn like a comet in the midnight sky. Shadows stretching across the open plains, silent promises etched in the rain. Every tear cried is a truth we learn. In the wild we find where our spirit yearns. Hands held tight under moonlit domes. The roads we wander lead us far from home. Shedding our fears under endless stars. Together we'll redefine who we are. Feel the thunder coursing through our veins. We're the storm that can't be tamed. Let the rivers lead us to unknown lands. Every note we play is a chance to stand. Singing wild heart, let it run free. Turn up the night till we're dancing on dreams. Raise your voice high, let the melody fly. We'll burn like a comet in the midnight sky. Feel the thunder coursing through our veins. We're the storm that can't be tamed. Let the rivers lead us to unknown lands. Every note we play